In this class we will learn how to modify the appearance of solids created in SolidWorks by applying material, texture and color. We will start with the color application, then open the respective file made available in this class, and let's go. We have quick access to color settings via the display pane. See, by clicking on the rectangle shown in the Appearances column, we can select the Appearance option and choose the desired color in the Property Manager. In the first box we have the indication of the selected geometry. By clicking on Remove Appearance, we remove the applied colors or textures. In the Color option, we click on the colors and note that automatically we have the preview showing the applied color. Choose the desired color and confirm the command. Notice now that the rectangle in the display pane shows the applied color. To apply or edit the appearance of the entire solid, we can also right-click on the file name in the Feature Manager. Appearance settings, color and texture, can be applied to each feature individually. Just click on the feature and on the floating bar choose this option. In this other piece we will apply a texture. Some textures are only available if Photo View is installed and Real View enabled, as these are used to make models look realistic. Photo View has an extensive library of textures and materials. Real View can only be enabled on SolidWorks approved video cards. Texture application can be carried out through the task pane. See, just drag the desired texture to the piece in the graphic area. Expanding appearances, see that we have several folders, with many textures options. We expand the folder Plastic and select Clear Plastic. Note the textures displayed. We drag the first texture to the piece and see that the floating bar allows us to choose whether we want to apply the texture on a face, feature, body or throughout the piece. We apply all over the workpiece and see that the bottle has become transparent. Explore and apply other textures, getting acquainted with this feature. Using this other piece, we will see the application of material. Note that in the Feature Manager we have a specific icon and guidance that there is no material defined for this part. To apply a material, we right-click on the icon, and on the option Edit Material. Note that a box is open for the choice of material. The SolidWorks Materials folder contains the standard SolidWorks materials and the Custom Materials folder, the materials created by users. We expand the folder SolidWorks Materials and the folder Steel. Note the bill of material. Clicking on one of these materials, in the right panel are displayed the properties, appearance, type of default hack, including we can set it as a favorite. We chose the IC304 material and click Apply to make the application effective. Note that the material has been applied and the appearance of the part has changed. Then we click on ASTM A36 Steel and apply. Note that this other material has been applied. We apply the material IC1020 and click Close to finish the application of material. See that the Feature Manager icon tells the material applied to the piece. After applying the material, we can check the properties of the part. In the Tools menu we click on the Mass Properties tool. Note that we have density, mass, volume, surface area, among other information. We have seen in this class how to apply colors, textures and materials to modeled pieces in SolidWorks. This is very important for both visual effects and applied effort analysis.